Finding places to connect and charge everything can be a headache. Now, make your home work with and for you and your family with just the Koogeek Smart Outlet and the sound of your voice. Charge up to 3 USB devices quickly and safely. With 3 AC outlets and Wi-Fi connectivity, choose what you want to control using your smartphone. The Koogeek Smart Outlet lets you connect your home and turn your everyday appliances into smart appliances that you control with your voice no matter where you are. Hey Siri, turn on the coffee machine.
Okay, the coffee machine is on.
Control your lights. Start the air conditioner. Turn on the radio. You can be in control from anywhere. Koogeek Smart Outlet makes your home smarter.